I think I have found my favorite Amazon store. I have seen all of my favorite creators raving about this brand, so I had to check it out for myself to see if it was good enough to show you. And I can definitely see what all the hype is about. I have 6 items to show you, and every single one is better than the last. So grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's get right into it. Starting off with this soft, chunky knit cardigan. This material is very trendy this winter, and I really enjoy how it is soft, but it's also substantial at the same time. It's cozy, but you really don't have to worry about babying it. It comes in 20 colors and in sizes small to 2XL. I did get mine in my true size small, and I really wish I had sized up 1 or 2. So there are some cons to this sweater that I wanted to talk to you about. I think it really has a lot to do with preference, but I wanted to bring it to your attention just in case you are similar to me. So number one is I wish they would have continued this little double seam detail right here into where they sewed the shoulder piece, because if they would have done that, I feel like it would have laid a lot flatter and been a lot more flattering. As you can see, they only did the one side. So if they would have just took a little itty bitty more time and did both sides, I think it would look just a little bit better. But if I would have sized up one, I think that it wouldn't have been as noticeable. So again, I would definitely recommend sizing up one. And number two is just how it kind of curls in at the front right here. I am almost 100% certain that is just because that's the kind of fabric that it is. But I did want to mention it to you in case that's something that you feel like would annoy you. Again, if I would have sized up, I think it wouldn't have been as noticeable and would have been just a little bit more of a flattering fit. Number two is this crew neck, solid color, cable knit, chunky, casual, oversized pullover sweater. I love a good crew neck sweater, and again, this kind of chunky cable knit detail is very in, so I wanted to see if this one was going to be a good one that I could recommend to you. It comes in 22 colors and it is available in sizes small to XL. So I really do like this sweater. I really wish that I would have sized up one. I was really wanting that oversized look that you can see on the pictures on Amazon. I ordered it in a size small because, in the title it does say that it is oversized, but I definitely needed to size up 1 or 2 to get that kind of oversized fit. But other than that, it's a very comfortable sweater. I really love it, and I absolutely love this really pretty kind of like muted purple. And it's very versatile. I have worn this to the office, running errands, or just relaxing around the house. Number three is this zip up drawstring baggy cropped puffer down jacket. As soon as I saw this come across the screen, I had to have it. It comes in 16 colors and is available in sizes extra small to large. It is made to be oversized, so I did go with my true size small, and I really love the way that it fits. So I would definitely say that this is more of a casual coat, perfect to wear with leggings or some jeans. But I do feel like, it could be a little bit more classy with some of the darker colors like the black or this really beautiful chocolate brown. I really love all of the neutral colors that it comes in, and that it offers the option to cinch in the waist or the bottom hem right there. So you can wear it several different ways. Number five is their winter long sleeve zipper Sherpa fleece pullover. It comes in 16 colors and it is available in sizes small to extra large. So I really don't think that I have to say much about this pullover because I really feel like it speaks for itself. I will say though that if you have like little children that don't like to snuggle, they're not very affectionate, put this on and they will be all over you. My little girls, every time I wear it, they come over and they pet it and they lay on it or on me. And so I really love all the attention and affection that I get whenever I wear this. I also wanted to point out that the Sherpa on this is more of like a silky Sherpa. It's not that kind of Sherpa that's really stiff, that mats up easily. So I really do also love the way that it feels. The inside is different from the outside. It's just kind of like a shorter version of the outside, very soft and comfortable. And y'all, this pullover is thick. Like, she's thick. So she's definitely going to keep you warm. I feel like it goes perfect with leggings, jeans. Y'all, you're absolutely going to love this pullover. Number 4 is their crew neck loose cable knit pullover sweater. It comes in 15 colors and is available in sizes small to extra L. I really, really love this sweater. It is very soft and cozy. I also love the versatility in this one because you can wear it off the shoulder, on the shoulder, with lounge pants, slacks, or my favorite, jeans and some boots. Every time I wear this, I get tons of compliments, and this is definitely one of those items that I feel very, very confident in. I did get this one in my true size small, and it fits perfectly. So this is definitely one of the favorites from this haul. I wear this all the time, and every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. Everyone asks me where I got it, but it does have one con, and it might be a deal breaker, so I wanted to mention it to you. As the title says, it is definitely a loose knit sweater. So you have to be really careful with this one or you will snag it. I have already snagged it in a few places, but it's always been very easy to fix. But you do have to baby this one just a tad. It does have this kind of like bat wing drop shoulder with like a cinched in waist vibe. It's very, very flattering, super cozy. Y'all are gonna love this one. I am just absolutely obsessed, if you cannot tell. Number 6 is my favorite piece out of all the items. It is their wrap V-neck ribbed knit pleated A-line sweater dress with belt. It comes in 17 colors, sizes small to XL. This is my most favorite sweater dress that I have ever worn, and I have tried on a lot of sweater dresses. Another thing that I really love about this dress is that you can take it on and off by pulling it up over your hips versus having to pull it over your head. So if you have your hair and your makeup done, you don't have to worry about messing it up. Such a great feature. So every time I wear this dress, I feel like I can take on the world. I walk a little bit taller, I have a little swag to my step, and I'm telling you, no matter where I go, people compliment me on this dress, ask me where I've got it. It is just such a showstopper. It is the perfect thickness. It's going to keep you warm, but you're not going to be too hot. And it goes great with so many different shoes, heels, booties, tall booties. The sky's the limit with this dress. I'm absolutely obsessed. Love it, love it, love it. You have to tell me what you think. Which one is your favorite? It was so hard for me to decide, but I am more about how an item makes me feel. So if I put something on and I feel like I can take on the world, it becomes my favorite item of the season. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would join this little YouTube family. It is free and easy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that way YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. So we're at the point in my video where I do say a prayer for anyone who is interested. If you are not interested in that, that is totally fine. But before you go, I will have some other videos down in the description for you to watch after this one. And I hope that you and your family stay happy and healthy. And I hope to see you real soon in my next video. So before I say a prayer, I just want to let you know real quick that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests. What do you think about these hair extensions? It's just a halo. Just a halo one, but I don't know. I think it's pretty, but it's a lot to like keep it looking good. But anyways, I just want to let you know real quick that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests that you may have. My Instagram and my email address are always down in the description as well. I'd be more than happy to pray for you in the privacy of my own home. I would never pray for you or put your information on my channel. But right now, I'm just going to say a prayer for anyone. If you'd like to pray with me. God, thank you so much for all that you do, for who you are. Lord, I just lift up my viewer to you right now and place them into your mighty hands, God. You know the need, you see it all, God. And I just pray that your will be done in their lives, that no matter what they may be going through, no matter what mountain may be standing in their way, the fear of the uncertainty, not knowing what's going to happen, God, I just pray right now that your peace that surpasses all understanding just overtake them, Lord, and just let them know that you have everything under control. Lord, I pray that you are their provider, their healer, and everything that they need, Lord. And if someone is watching this prayer right now, God, that does not know you, Lord, I pray that you send someone to help them make the best decision of their life, God. Open their hearts, Lord. And I pray that you keep us happy and healthy until the next time we meet. And in Jesus' name I pray, amen. Woo! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that you can send me any prayer requests that you may have. And I do hope you and your family stay very happy and healthy. And I hope to see you real soon in my next video. Bye.